Okay, we're on part 2. So now we're going to do h composed with p of x. Okay, so then we have h, we're going to rewrite it as h of p of x. And we know that h of x is equal to x squared. Now, it's a little bit tricky, but we'll get used to notation. So we can say h composed of p of x is the same thing as h of p of x. Okay, now we know p of x is going to be x plus 2. So I'm going to say x plus 2 h of p of x is equal to x squared. But we're going to substitute that in for x. So when we do that, we're going to have x plus 2 squared. So we're just substituting this thing in for x. Now it's just like a simple problem that we multiplied out like 2 binomials here. Okay. And to do that, you just do the box. This is like the easy part here. X plus 2 and x plus 2. So that gives you x times x is x squared. That gives you 2x and 2x, and we're familiar with this part. 4, that gives you x squared plus 4x plus 4. Or if you want to do a shortcut, you can say x times x gives you x squared. Then x times 2 gives you 2x, and then 2x. 2 times x gives you 2x, and 2 times 2 is 4, and you just combine like terms. So that would be h p of x, or h composed with p of x. Okay, let's look at the next one. Let's put it down the middle. So now we're going to do h composed of p of 3. So I like to rewrite that and say h of p of 3. Let's say p of 3 equals. And we know h of x is x squared. X squared again, okay. But it's a little easier for me to actually do p of 3 because that's what we're looking for. So I'm going to say p of 3. I should make this red though. Maybe a little bit easier. So p of 3. And we'll come back to that. So p of 3, we know p of x is equal to, see, x plus 2. That's 2. Now we just substitute 3 in. So it's going to give you, darn it, I should have used all red. So that just goes in for x, p of 3. And then it just gives you 5. So now we know what p of 3 is. Now we just put that in for p of 3 here. P of 3 is equal to 5. So we just say that's 5 now. And we just substitute that in for x here. It'll be 5 squared, which is just 25. So h composed of p of 3, or h of p of 3, is just equal to 25. Okay, next video we'll look at is, where is it? What's this one? Are they inverses? Prove it. So maybe take a look at it first and see if you can prove it.